Ukrainian 425th Separate Assault Regiment success eliminate 100 enemy personnel in Donetsk Region. In a decisive operation on the Donetsk region, Ukrainian Defense Forces have recaptured the strategically significant village of Torske in the Donetsk region, delivering a severe blow to Russian occupying troops. The operation, led by units of the 425th Skala Separate Assault Regiment, resulted in the elimination of approximately 100 enemy personnel and the capture of several dozen prisoners. Torske, situated on the critical Kreminna-Liman logistical corridor, has been the site of intense fighting for several months. Control of this area is considered vital for maintaining supply lines and ensuring operational stability across the eastern axis of defense. Following extensive reconnaissance and coordination with supporting artillery units, assault elements of the Skala Regiment launched a swift offensive on enemy-held positions within the village. The Ukrainian troops advanced house to house, systematically clearing Russian positions and securing the settlement. The invaders were holed up in basements with minimal ammunition, lacking both water and food, the Skala Regiment's press service reported. Their command structure was disorganized, and resistance quickly collapsed under the pressure of Ukrainian assault groups. Field reports confirm that numerous Russian soldiers abandoned their posts during the engagement, while others surrendered in organized groups. Attempts by Russian commanders to use surveillance drones to coerce troops into holding their positions proved ineffective. Preliminary assessments indicate that around 100 Russian soldiers were killed in the course of the operation, with a significant quantity of equipment and ammunition destroyed or captured. Ukrainian forces have since fortified their positions in and around Torske to repel potential counterattacks. Concurrently, on another sector of the Lyman front, formations from Ukraine's 3rd Army Corps successfully repelled a Russian breakthrough attempt near the village of Stavsky, inflicting additional casualties on the attacking units. The liberation of Torske marks a notable tactical success for Ukrainian forces as they continue efforts to stabilize the Eastern Front and disrupt Russian operational momentum. The regained control of this logistical route will enhance Ukrainian supply movements and restrict Russian reinforcement capabilities in the area. Elsewhere along the front, Ukrainian units have reported continued localized advances. Earlier this week, the armed forces liberated Kutrivyar, approximately 40 kilometers from Pokrovsk, reclaiming the settlement that had fallen to Russian forces in mid-August during their advance toward Dobrapilya. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine emphasized that operations continue across multiple sectors, with a focus on defensive reinforcement, counter-offensive actions, and attrition of enemy logistics. Meanwhile, in a remarkable display of tactical precision and courage, 3 Ukrainian stormtroopers from the 25th Separate Assault Battalion Lynx successfully captured 7 Russian soldiers during a clearing operation near the village of Vilin in the Donetsk region. The incident, which took place amid ongoing heavy fighting in eastern Ukraine, has been hailed as a testament to the professionalism and combat effectiveness of Ukrainian assault units. The video footage documenting fragments of the operation and the surrender of the Russian troops appeared on social media on Sunday. The footage shows Ukrainian stormtroopers conducting a sweep of a cluster of dachas near Vilin, a rural settlement that has seen recurring clashes as Ukrainian forces continue to repel Russian attempts to consolidate positions in the area. The success of the operation is attributed to the effective integration of drone technology with ground assault tactics, a strategy that has become a defining feature of modern Ukrainian military operations. An attack drone was reportedly deployed to breach the fortified entrance of the Russian hideout, neutralizing the occupiers' defensive advantage and compelling them to surrender. Sources within the unit noted that the 3 Ukrainian soldiers acted swiftly, maintaining composure and tactical discipline throughout the engagement. After the drone's strike compromised the position, the stormtroopers entered and secured the area without sustaining any casualties. The 25th Separate Assault Battalion Lynx has gained a reputation for its flexibility and precision in small unit operations. Formed as part of Ukraine's growing network of mobile assault units, Lynx specializes in rapid infiltration, reconnaissance, and urban or semi-urban combat, operations that often involve close-quarters engagements such as this one. The capture of 7 Russian soldiers not only removes active combatants from the battlefield, but also provides valuable intelligence opportunities. Prisoners of war are typically interrogated in accordance with international humanitarian law, potentially yielding information on enemy positions, morale, and logistics. Ukraine's continued reliance on small unit tactics and creative use of technology has allowed it to counterbalance Russia's numerical superiority. Operations that combine precision drone strikes, psychological warfare, and disciplined assault maneuvers have become increasingly common as Kyiv seeks to exhaust Russian forces and reclaim occupied territories. Following the capture, the 7 Russian soldiers were disarmed and secured by the Ukrainian stormtroopers. They are expected to be transferred to a designated detention facility for interrogation and processing under the supervision of the Ukrainian Military Command and relevant humanitarian agencies.
Не слушайте оружие! Погиб!